in the company of people who discourages you, in the company of people who does not believe in Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to omabeautytv. It's your girl Oma here. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by here, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on my video, and if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I'm so happy for all the love and all the support that every one of you is showing me here. Thank you so much. I am happy and I am grateful. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Subscription is free. You're not paying. YouTube is not taking any money from you when you subscribe to my channel. And as you subscribe, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime there's a new upload from me. Always give my videos a thumbs up, like my videos, and leave me a comment down below. Also share my videos with your friends and family. That is how the channel will grow. So in today's video, I'm in the company of people who discourages you, in the company of people who does not believe in. I'm going to be telling us the type of friends you should do away with in this 2021. Yes, it's 2021. You shouldn't be your vision in the company of people who do not support whatever thing you are doing. Like those kind of friends that always criticize your actions, everything, your move and all. Like those kind of friends that, like, you know, like friends with benefit life because of what they are gaining, or because of what you are giving to them, or because of what they are gaining, maybe the kind of contact they always get when they come close to you, or the kind of how do I put this, maybe whatever thing they are gaining from you. Those kind of friends you should do away with. So I'm going to be breaking it down one by one. So I'm going to be looking down on my book because I wrote some of the points down on my book here. So the type of friend, the number one type of friends that you should do away with in this 2021 is those kind of friends who never makes an effort. And what I mean by this is those kind of friends who never reach out to you, who does not call you, who does not even care, who does not even check up on you. They like in you know that anytime you get a call or a message or an email or a DM from them, they need your help. Those kind of friends, you need to trash them. This is 2020. And number two kind of friends you need to do away with are those kind of I call them super critical friends, that they always criticize your actions. They always criticize you. Whatever thing you do, they always criticize it. Like, I don't know, like because they want you to be the way they are. Like they want you to do certain things the way they are doing it. And when you're doing yours differently, they see it as like you're not getting it right. You're not doing it rightly. Like they always criticize your every of your move. They always criticize every of your actions. Girl, this is 2021. You need to do away with such. There are three kind of friends you should do away with in 2021 are boyfriend snatchers or man snatchers. Like they will always, like when you find yourself, like when you're in a relationship or something, or like someone is asking you out, and you try to tell them like that this person is asking you out, they will tell you, no, this person is not good for you, like you are more than this, you shouldn't go for someone like this and all that. And you foolishly heed to their advice, and before you know it, like they've gone behind you to be sleeping with the person. This is 2021. Trash such friends, girl. Yeah, so number what now? Number 4 are selfish friends. Yes, selfish. Like those guys who are selfish, those kind of selfish friends. You need to do it with selfish friends in 2021. Like they are all about themselves. They are always themselves. Whenever they are like they are getting it, they don't care about others. You need to deal with such kind of friends, because those kind of friends are not supposed to be in your life. Those kind of friends are deadly. Like they love themselves so much. I'm not saying that we shouldn't love ourselves. I love myself as well, but I'm saying that one that loves his or herself so much, like nothing else counts, nothing else matters, it's only them. Please do away with such kind of friends. Do away with such kind of friends, because this is 2021. Like, nobody has time for people who don't like people who don't see them as people that matters. Like, do away with them. And I think lastly in my list here is childish friends. Oh God, like I was once in this kind of situation. I used to have a girlfriend. I don't want to mention her name here. I used to have a girlfriend. Like, she's very, very childish. Like, the way she talks, the way she reasons, you know that this person, girl, with your age, like, you talk like this, you reason like this. Man, this is 2021. Do away with such childish friends. And how will you identify? How will you identify that you have a childish friend? This friend is always too emotional to do argument. Like, this person is like, he likes he or she likes argument a lot, and they are very, very difficult. Like, they are very difficult to handle everything. Oh my God. And they behave like children. You know that some people, they are so emotional. I'm not saying that this is bad to be emotional. It's good to be emotional, but you need to live, you need to balance your life. Do you understand? You need to balance your life. So there are some people that, they are too childish. And if you find yourself in such in such atmosphere, girl, take a walk. Like, it's time to take a walk. This is 2021. Don't allow anybody to bully you. Don't allow anybody to talk you down. Don't allow, in fact, don't confine yourself in a midst of people. Like, how do I put it? Don't confine yourself in a box where you are not appreciated, where your effort doesn't matter, where whatever thing you are bringing in does not matter. Don't allow yourself to be found in such in this 2021. So I'm going to be stopping here today, and I have a lot and lots to share on this channel. So, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.